Hello and welcome to video number 7 in this leaf growth series with me, Tony Mallett, and I've brought you to this tennis courts here because I can remember once hearing a great tennis player say that in order for him to play at his best he had to be at one with his game, and the title for this leaf growth video is Oneness. Let's find out a little bit more. So how best can I describe this oneness that this video is all about? Well, there's really two aspects. There's oneness in terms of your connection with all that is, the universe, power, energy, however you want to define it, all the abundance and goodness that's out there. But also the oneness that you have with every other person on the planet. In other words, the idea that we are all connected, we are all part of one system. Now it's the ego voice inside all of us which tries to make us feel separate from the rest of the world, separate from people, always that feeling of competition. But actually we need to try and overcome this voice. It's always going to be there, and study and raise our level of awareness. And the more that we raise our level of awareness, the more that we realise that we are all connected, we are all one, and this helps anybody in their path towards success, having that level of awareness. Here's to your huge infinite success, you infinite spiritual being.